Oh, bit my tongue. Fuck.
Hold on.
Feels the pain.
Oh.
Have you ever just been eating McDonald's, like, French fries, and you just bite your finger on accident? Like, you want to die inside?
No.
Have you not?
No, because funnily enough, I know how to eat.
Yeah, but I mean, so you're telling me you've never bit your finger while eating something?
No.
Like, I've really, like, clenched down on my finger when I was eating that McDonald's French fry. It hurt so much. I was in the shop, and, like, you know where you just can't make, like, any, like, sound because, like, everyone's really quiet? I was just there in the back of the corner, like, so, like, slowly dying inside.
Like I'm now.
No, I've never eaten my finger whilst trying to eat McDonald's French fries.
What
Ever.
about a fork? Like, have you ever, like, clenched down on a fork?
Again, no, I know how to eat.
Okay, so Napkin can bite his tongue while eating. How do you bite your tongue while
Quite
eating?
easily, quite easily. It's like
So
eating
then
and
you can
biting your
bite
fingers.
a finger. You can bite a finger.
Nah.
Do there's something wrong with you.
You can see your finger, can't you?
I will do a poll on Twitter right now.
You could do a poll just to see. Is it normal to bite your finger?
Hey, let me grab my phone real quick and I'll show you guys.
I'll show you. Whereabouts?
Would you say bitten or bit finger? Like,
You've bitten
you
your,
actually-
you've bitten your
bitten.
finger.
yeah.
I think the term you would use is I'm a spastic.
Right, you wait, right, until I get about 20,000 people on this phone to like agree with me. Superhero powers, if that makes sense.
What? Because you're disabled. sorry. That was me.
Is Stephen Hawking technically a superhero already? 'Cause, I mean,
No, he's
He's
dead.
dead.
yeah, but is he?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, Stephen Hawking died ages ago. To get-
Whether I'm right or wrong.
and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the life will break me.
Am I missing out on a
When I
bonding
come
session
to
because I
God.
don't know the song?
She won't forsake me.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm loving angels instead.
Yeah, I'm definitely missing out on a bonding session.
That wasn't rehearsed, can you tell?
See, my like superhero power
Until the
does not
world
let me-
falls. Sorry. Then again, Mozzie's from up north, so.
Yeah, Mother's Northern. He probably lives in a bush somewhere.
Right, I'm sick of this. I'll prove everyone wrong. Everyone, you wait 20 years from now, I won't be homeless.
Yeah, go Kenwood, go Kenwood, Kenwood Wood. Oh.
Should I kick him?
Yes.
That's up to you. You got the power.
Oh, chop it! Oh, chop it!
Are you gonna fit?
Someone hasn't pressed F5 yet.
I think that's the best I've ever been with Cavera. I almost got an ace. If Mozu wouldn't have knifed that dude at the start.
Oh, so now it's my fault.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Because I'm a northerner.
Now that you've said that, yes.
Alright, mate, calm down, like.
Shut up. Shut up.
Alright, mate, calm down.
You could not have chose a worse accent to do than Scouse.
I'm gonna order my big fat takeaway after this.
They haven't found out.
Are you going to be fish and chips because you know them?
No, I hate fish. I hate seafood.
That's his make-a-wish.
I'm a very, very big
Make a wish.
Yeah, and I don't think he's gonna buy the chips because it's fucking bitch.
I don't like this attitude from none of you. I'll get me and my granddad and we'll come down to your gaff and we'll knock you out. We'll spark you out. We'll spark you out. Get me?
They don't do buses from Halter here. Okay, I'll stop.
I'm not
Mozu's
even
getting
bothered.
absolutely roasted for no
To be fair, you think I'm bothered by this, but it's all true. Like anything you say is just straight facts. I'm bothered. So I can't really like argue at something that is like completely straight true.
fucking Mozzie just run away with the ball.
Woo! Okay, he's by me.
I didn't know I had the ball.
Isn't it called Mosey?
Let me get this,
Yeah.
I injured her. No need to worry.
Matt, watch Matt steal the kill. The cunt. Kill him, Alex. Kill him.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a funny moment.
Oh!
Oh
like that.
my
No.
god!
I like that.
Good job, dude.
Why?
We're on a team of absolute spastics.
Like, this could have
What the hell?
Not how you.
because he likes little.
Oh,
Are you telling me? No, right, watch this right now.
I
5
don't
kills.
like how you use Maverick at all. Yeah, see, that's fantastic.
You're putting me off my A game.
No, you
It
burnt.
is what it's.
I hate you. What the hell? You went it upside down then, apparently.
Yeah.
Well, if 5 divided by 10 equals 95, then divide 95 to 10, then that should equal
I
around about
think
86.
you've just given me a stroke.
What are you
Actually,
saying?
86. But 86 divided by minus plus x equals y equals z, that is around about 23% of the equal attribute of pi. So pi is 180, divide that by 26. Mathematics should equal around about 36, 38ish, am I right?
This is the maths that they teach up north.
Wait, I
This
thought
is maths, and just throw numbers at you. I think I'm gonna go thick lock.
She looks like fucking that girl out of Shrek.
Fiona.
No, have you in the chat?
Oh
look.
yeah, yeah, I know who you mean. The fucking is under.
Oh my god! Oh, the ugly sister. Yeah,
I plug in my good mic now.
you know me so well.
Yeah. I just know the fucking. Yeah, what's up, dude?
Spam Q or whatever it is to revive.
Mozzie, why have you left the game?
I got fucking kicked.
What you playing at, mate? Napkin should just leave.
I'll phlegm on your head. No, you just play it without me.
I'm just perplexed.
You just
He's really confused.
Exactly.
Cover me.
Planted white Oh, dude, I have a enjoyed watching it.
He's defusing. He's defusing.
Defusing.
GG.
Oh,
He's back to
I
wall.
can't see him.
No. Oh
my
no.
God. It's great being a spastic. It's really an easy life.
You Mosey piece of shit. Just kidding.
Me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, calm down, Jesus Christ.
Oh, wait, this is
You know,
the.
I'm a northerner, but I've got feelings, goddamn.
No, you don't. Napkin, this is the
Right.
photo. Napkin, this is the photo I've just sent him.
Can someone just kill that Valk? Someone kill that Valk. Someone kill that Valk. Chobits, come over here and bang the fuck out of him.
Why?
Yeah, just do it, man. Just fucking smack around.
Why?
She barricaded me outside, little bells mill.
Actually, no one corridor.
Be quiet. Be quiet now.
Why?
Why?
Fuck you, Ash.
Who the fuck you speaking to, you dumbass? Put some respect to my name, you fucking Indian pleb. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. Your man runs a sandwich shop in Arabic. Fuck you. Shut up. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Do something, pussy bitch. Back down. Back down.
Were you barking at the end of that?